Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to kickstart your weight loss journey while keeping your energy levels high throughout the day? Flaxseed, sesame seeds, raisins, dried prunes, dried apricots, milk benefits, steady energy, packed with fiber-rich flaxseed, sesame seeds, and dried fruits. Our shake provides a sustained source of energy to keep you feeling energized and focused throughout the day. Weight loss. Support. The combination of nutrient-dense ingredients and fiber helps promote feelings of fullness and satiety, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals without feeling deprived. Nutrient-rich. Flaxseed and sesame seeds are rich in essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, supporting overall health and well-being. Don't forget to hit that follow button for more mouth-watering recipes to support your health and wellness journey. Let's toast to a healthier, happier you.